Hello and welcome to the T3B Commodities Preview. Commodities have become an attractive investment in recent years. The profit potential from the dramatic price advances posted by energy, grains, metals, and other commodities have lifted them to the overall levels in more than 30 years. In the coming years, India shall become the hub of global trading in commodities. Trading on exchanges in China and India have gained in importance in recent years due to their emergence as significant commodity consumers and producers. Some of the favorable demand fundamentals. Increasing global population. The population of the world has been increasing for some time, and a greater population means greater demand for commodities. Development of global economies. When economies are developing and expanding, an escalating amount of commodities is needed to fuel the growth. Increase in standard of living. When the economy of a country accelerates, a higher standard of living means more money for discretionary spending. Some of the favorable supply fundamentals are limited quantity of raw materials. Coal, crude oil, natural gas, gold, silver, and many other energy fuels and metals exist in finite quantities. Once these quantities are used up, they are done. Lack of agriculture acreage. Much like energy fuels and metals, agricultural commodities have a significant drawback. In this case, a limitation on the amount of land available to grow crops. Insufficient infrastructure. Not all companies involved in the exploration and extraction of commodities have the infrastructure to exploit all the reserves of commodities available. Now we look at some of the reasons for investing in commodities. Commodities gives you a greater portfolio efficiency and diversification. By adding a commodity element to your portfolio, you effectively create a more optimal and diversified portfolio. Commodities help in reduced volatility risk and smooth returns. Commodities, unlike stocks, cannot be manipulated because of their universal nature. Commodities provides an inflation protection. Since commodities have a positive correlation with inflation, they offer protection to your investment against inflation. Commodities provide a greater price predictability. Research has shown that commodity prices are slightly more predictable than the prices of public traded companies. This is a direct result of long-term supply and demand trends that commodities experience over long periods. Better investment decision making. Information on commodities is significantly more objective and concrete than information on stocks. Numerous factors drive stock prices, but there is only one factor that drives commodity prices: supply and demand economics. Follow the invest what you understand principle. The popular market belief is that people should invest in what they understand. Commodities and real estate are easily understood by the investor class. Inelastic pricing. There are some products in the marketplace that must be purchased regardless of price levels. These products are considered inelastic, and commodities fall in this category. Potential for aggressive returns. Depending on the supply-demand ratio, most commodities move in one direction for a longer periods of time, thereby offering potential for aggressive returns. Zero risk of product obsolescence. Gold, silver, oil, and copper may decline in price, but they will never become absolute, nor worthless as a result of changing consumer taste. Less time and research. When people invest in stocks and bonds, they often need to review numerous research reports and financial statements. In contrast, investing in commodities does not require much research. Minimal external and management issues. Stocks attract a lot of risk as a result of scandals or questionable management actions in companies, which is not the case with commodities. Historically, precious metals have outperformed the stock markets in terms of returns offered. Commodities offer deliverability as a settlement option once the contract has expired. Both gold and silver are considered as safe havens for investors because of the stability offered by these commodities to their portfolios. Gold is the true world's reserve currency. What does T3B have to offer? T3B has an EOD trading system, that is end of day trading system. Trading gold as per the T3B system has yielded returns of an astonishing 8,800% in the last 7 years. In comparison to a pure investment in gold has yielded a 350% returns during the same period. Following is the 5-year gold chart as shown by the T3B system software. A 10-year gold chart. Trading silver as per the T3B commodity system has yielded an astonishing result of 33,400% in the last 7 years. Compare this again to a pure investment in silver has yielded 700% returns during the same period. A 5-year silver chart as per the T3B system and a 10-year silver chart as per the T3B system. For further information on commodities and other world-class products offered by T3B India, please call 9122-421-53333 or log on to www.t3bindia.com. Thank you.